Today is September 11, and ironically, we detected unusual options activity on an airline company because, as you may know, September 11, there was unusual options activity from the terrorist attacks. Back then, we can see that there was put options being bought on American Airlines and United Airlines, the two companies that had their planes hijacked and crashed by terrorists. Okay, so quite ironic today that we are seeing some unusual options. But the good thing is that it's a different airline, Southwest Airlines, LUV, and they are call options bullish instead of bearish. So no worries about a crash, at least based on this data here. So this all happened about 113, 156. Let's take a deeper look at what this could mean for Southwest Airlines. September 15th, this is just 4 days away. We can see a total of 9,226 volume at the 29.5 strike call. Definitely opening trade since the open interest was only 244. When we take a look at the November 17th, the 35 strike calls, these 1,100 contracts, we can see here that the open interest is actually larger than the volume today. So there is a possibility that these could be closing trades, that they are buying it to close. However, based on our system and our analyses, we don't think that is the case. We think they are still opening it, and this is still a bullish trade here. And so that's why what we did was we bought the 30 strike calls for the November 17th, and we sold the 32.5 strike call. So by doing that, we opened a trade known as a vertical call spread here. And when you analyze the trade, you can see that for each of these trades, they cost about $86 each. And we have a positive delta of 23. So we know this is bullish. Anything positive is bullish. Anything negative is bearish. So we take a look also at the theta here. Very minor theta risk, negative 0.33. So does not decay. So this trade here, when we take a look at the break evens, this stock would have to break this price here, $30.85 at expiration for the November 17th. Okay, but if it starts to rise, currently trading at $29.41, if it starts going up sooner, then we will become profitable immediately. This is the purple line here. So anything above this zero line on the y-axis is profit. Okay, anything below is a loss. So you can see that the purple line is above this line here. That's profitable. So as we move up in price, which is on this x-axis here, as we go up, you see the numbers increasing. That's profit increasing, right? So that's what's going on here. All right, so you can see that we are risking $86, what we pay, the debit here. At expiration, you can see that here, that 86 is showing up over here. You can see that. And if it goes up, potentially at expiration, it's around $32 now. You can see that we could make $164 now. You see that blue line here, and you can see that the profit is going to be 164 at expiration. So it has the potential of making twice as much, right? 86 times 2 is about 160, right? So that's a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio there, okay? So this is the type of strategies we like to put on, where we can have a advantageous risk to reward ratio, where we can risk something lower and be able to make twice as much. Okay, that means that if we put on, for example, 10 trades, we don't necessarily need to only win 5 times, because if we have a risk to reward ratio of 1-to-2, that means we only maybe need to win 3 times, right? 2 or 3 times. It doesn't mean that we have to always break right in the middle to break even. All right, so that's why strategy really matters. And if you're interested in how we trade options strategies, make sure to join our membership program, where we share exclusive videos on our option strategies. We also share videos with other stocks that have unusual options activity, so you can diversify your portfolio. If you only trade stocks, you can also use this data to get better stock picks, so you can beat the market, because anyone can beat the market using this type of data, where we follow the wealthy investors and what they are doing with their trades and their stock picks. All right, so hit the join button on our channel homepage to learn more on how you can get immediate access to better stock picks to beat the market. As usual, smash that like button, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified of any other unusual options activity. For now, take care and good luck.